And finally, with a chance to claim the PMGO trophy and, of course, the lion's share of $500,000. Give it up for Nepex Esports.
Songi yollanma sokupları. Nepex Esports jamoasi.
Congratulations, everyone. Thank you so much. You may now exit the stage.
Qadrli do'stlar.
यो भाइ पो बिचमा बसेर आएको छ त यो भाइ पनि होला कति होला सायद हो एनालाइज गर्ने हो कि
Esports jamoasi.
अब यो भाइले बाइसेप फुलाइहाल्छ हेर है पिटीमा नाइस कति छ है नाइस 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 के गरे यो भाइले भनेको हैन मैले भनेको नि हो यो भाइले फुलाउँछ भने नि मैले
Talk to us about, that final fight. What was going through your minds? What were the communications like? And what happened?
जस्तै चाहिँ अब लास्ट फाइटमा चाहिँ तिमीले अब सर्कल जोन भएर के इन सर्कल जोन भएर किन त्यसरी जाँदाखेरि तिम्रो डिसिजन चाहिँ कस्तो थियो अरे
हामी टु म्यान थियो नि त लास्ट जोनमा टु म्यान थियो अब राइट हान्नु पर्थ्यो तर लेफ्टमा स्मोक थियो अब टु म्यान थियौँ अब लास्ट जोनै कुरेको अब लास्ट जोनमा चाहिँ अब क्लस्टरमा अब राइट पुस गर्दाखेरि अब त्यही नेडहरूले डिसिजन त्यही नै थियो हाम्रो हुन चाहिँ
So the first thing was, it was the last zone and we knew that we have to go inside the circle. We tried to smoke. We didn't fight at first, but at last we knew we have to fight with them. So that was a decision, but we didn't go well as we expected.
It was a valiant effort, though. Domain and Antics, thank you so much for joining me here on the main stage. You guys have really so far. We wish you the best of luck for the remainder of this event. And of course, to break things down further.
यो भाइलाई खेलाउनु पर्छ जस्तो छ हो ऊ पर्छ त
Nepex definitely performing